In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Cash Advance feature app. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. Now, in order to get cash using your credit card inside of Chase, you cannot directly transfer a cash advance to a bank inside the application. Instead, what you need to do is within the Chase mobile app, you need to request a credit card PIN or unlock the My Chase loan. So first step, in order to do it through the Chase credit card, you need to get a ATM PIN using the application. So simply head over to the more options, navigate to account services, or you may also be able to see the option of manage account where you can get a PIN of your credit card. Secondly, you need to withdraw cash using the ATM. Now, if you don't want to follow this process, you can also do it through the My Loan option, which you should be able to find it within the app as well. First of all, you need to make sure that your account that you're trying to use has at least $500 of minimum balance, and you'll be able to choose a term to pay, and you'll be able to receive cash from there as well. So this is the exact way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.